Hi there, welcome to my channel. This is boyjim. In this video I'm gonna show you on how to format your flash drive using your laptop or computer. Stay there and watch this video.
Hi. Anyway, sa palabas mga boy. Walang bayad-bayad. Kaibigan ko yan. Walang bayad yan. Kung may bayad yan, alam mo na, bakla yan.
Alam niyo ang filler.
Oh.
Alam niyo itong filler. Nagagamit din yan.
Murang-mura lang yan. Walang bayad yan.
Walang bayad yan.
So guys, I will show you now on how to format your flash drive. So I'm just gonna plug my flash drive on my computer so that we can start now on how to format it. Okay, here we go. So you're just gonna go there on your PC, and as you can see guys, this is my flash drive. So I'm gonna show you on how to format it. But before I format my flash drive, I want to copy my important files. So if you have unimportant files on your flash drive, make sure to copy it and to transfer it to another. So what I'm gonna do on my files is I'm gonna find my important files. So we'll see this one. We'll see. So if you want to copy it, you want to transfer your files, or if you don't want your important files that it will not be erased, it will not be format, so you just copy. So I'm gonna copy the files, and I make a folder here on my desktop. So drive, I'm just gonna write it drive. Then I'm just gonna open it and paste. So this is my files that I don't want to be erased. So let's do it again. Just find your important files here. So after this, so I'm gonna get this one. So let's do it again, this one. So I have some important files here that I don't want to be erase it. So I don't want to be delete it. So all you can do is just right click, copy. You can just copy your files, then go to your folder, then paste it. So okay guys, it's done. It's done copying. So what we can do now is we will now start to format the flash drive. So I want to erase this all of this folder. I want to delete it. Well, you can just highlight it all. If you want to delete, just delete. And you can just highlight all, then click delete. but for me I want to format it for a new. So you just gonna go here again. This is the flash drive, so just click, then right click, then as you can see there's a word here, format. So you just go there, click format, then so I want to restore it the default, this device default. So I'm just gonna click start the default status. So as you can see that let's go back to the default setting of the flash drive. So here in this volume level, this is what I want to edit it. So I'm just gonna put it a name. Let's say I like this flash drive flash drive. So I'm just gonna put it a name, flash drive. Then you can check here, uncheck it, or if you uncheck this guys, if you uncheck it, if you start to format it, it's gonna be at least 5 minutes to finish this formatting. But if you click here the quick format, it will format it just a minute. I think it's 1 minute, 2 minutes, like that. So after we set this up, we're just gonna start. So let's do it again. Go to your flash drive here, say here, then click your flash drive, then go to format. Then so as you can see, this something's changed here. So this is gonna restore the device. Then I'm gonna rename this with flash drive, just like that. Then click start. There's say formatting will erase all the data on the disk. So yeah, I want to erase all the data on this disk. So I will click, let's just click the OK. So as you can see guys, it's formatting now. So it's formatting now. See, so I can see it's just only I think it's 20 or 10 seconds, so fast. As you can see guys, it's empty now. So just click OK, close. Then as you can see guys, your flash drive, the flash drive now is empty. All the data is erased. So it's still new. As you can see guys, it's the 14.5 free. So all the files now is already erased. So what you can do now, you can now take your important files, just highlight it or just Control A on your keyboard, press Control A on your keyboard and just right click, and you can click copy or cut. But for me, I'm just gonna cut it. I'm gonna move and go back to your flash drive again, and paste it just like that. Then you can wait to complete the moving of your files in your flash drive again. So transferring the files is finished now. So as you can see, it's very clear, only your important files. Then it's finished just like that. So I hope you guys you learned something about this on how to format your flash drive in your laptop and computer. So it's very easy. So all you need to do is remember, click here, right click, right click, then right click, and then format, and just change in here, just restore it by in default. And you can edit your, here you can just edit your files. I mean, you can just edit the name and start, click start, then okay. So it's finished now. As you can see, just all the data here is already erased. So I hope you learned something, and if you are new, please like please like please like the video, and if you're new, please subscribe it and click the bell notification for more updating videos next video. So just click subscribe and hit the bell notification. So this is for now, guys. Okay, so thanks guys for watching, and bye for now.